Hello students, how are you? I am Patel. Today I am welcoming you to my YouTube channel and we are going to discuss about the part number 6 of chapter number 1 graphs and economics. Today we are discussing these topics in this video, that is types of graphs, time series graphs, second one graphs of continuous frequency distribution, and the third part of this chapter is logarithmic graphs. And second part of this video we are discussing about the use of technology, that is computer technology, internet technology and data series. So this topic is the last of chapter number 1 graphs and economics. Today we are finished our chapter number 1 in this video. So continue watch this video to detail about these topics. Thank you.
First part of this video, that is types of graphs. First, time series graphs, which is depend on time series. Graphs for continuous frequency distribution, it is second part. And in that graphs, histogram, second one frequency polygon, and third is frequency curve, and fourth cumulative frequency polygon, and the third type of graph is logarithmic graphs. Now we are going to discuss about time series graphs. First, definition of time series graphs. In a trade cycle or in cycles of economic activities, short term and long term irregular, its erratic changes are observed. So, the trends of such changes are obtained with the help of statistical tools, and when the graphs are drawn taking these changes as variable and time period based, then such graphs are called time series graphs. It is same as time based line diagram that we have discussed in a previous video. Since the syllabus does not include other types of graphs, they are not discussed in this video. Now the second part of this video is use of technology in the study of economics. So now we are going to discuss about technology in our study of economics. Now in this 21st century, we all are using this type of technology for study, for entertainment and for living life. Yes, this technology is also used for education purpose. Nowadays you are use technology for study. So this is also you are using the videos, you are using the technology for the purpose of study, for education. First topic, computer technology. A student of economics is aware of the word computer. Yes, we all are familiar with the word computer. We are using computer for our study, for our life. We are used computer technology for presentation. By the presentations, we can easily present our data to any group of company or institution. Government use presentations for their budget or any information regarding the various departments. Now the second one is Excel worksheets. Yes, economics deals with lots of data. So we can observe that the data are in statistical form. So we have to edit the data in Excel sheets, and this is the best presentation in the Excel sheets of statistical data. Third is diagram and graphs. There are several programs in a computer which help us to draw diagrams and graphs, which we frequently use in economics. So we can easily draw a diagram by a computer. It is very clean, neat and very clear. Fourth is storage tools. We use plenty of study material in economics. Such materials becomes useful in higher studies in economics or for research. We need space and carefulness to prevent such material in the form of physical notebooks or books. So we can easily have a computer for store information, for store data. Example, email, Dropbox, Google Drive, DigiLocker or Google Store, Drive and Cloud. So we can easily store online this type of data or information. And fifth, other tools. Statistical programs like SPSS, Ch.1, eViews, SAS, etc. are developed to do almost all types of data processing for lakhs of observations in minutes by entering the right formula. Research institutes buy such programs. These are very expensive. However, certain software like Patel, PSPP, or etc. can be obtained free of cost through the internet. Nowadays, all these functions of computer are also available on smartphones and tablets. Yes, we are using smartphones or tablets for the purpose of this. Benefits of computer are more, but there are some caution in using computer technology. Computer is an aid in studying in. It is not a study material by itself. It helps to make the process of studying easier and faster. But it does not replace the process of studying. If we do not use the right commands in a computer, we may end up losing our material. We may also end up getting incorrect graphs and data processing if we do not know the correct formula and commands. So many much disadvantages of computer like electricity, lack of computer knowledge and lack of internet technology. So these are the problems of using computer, the causes of computer. Now the second one is internet technology. Internet is another facility created by digital technology which all of us have used for time to time. Yes, we are watching this video on YouTube by the internet. The following chart is summarized for the use of internet. First, tutorial. Educational websites put PowerPoint presentation or a tutorial for our study. Second, active learning. Some videos of lectures like you are using this YouTube channel lectures for study of economics. This is also active learning. And the third is reading material. You can easily provide internet the reading PDF files for books or any study materials or ebook or journals. These are the main things of reading materials. Now the four is information. By manually searching, we can get information on universities offering degrees in economics or any other information about any subject. You can search any information on Google. Fifth, miscellaneous. We can get quotes by economists, names of references, books, and also internet by using the search engines like Google. And sixth is data. Yes, economic uses a lot of secondary data. For instance, we use data on budget of government, banking, agricultural productions, value of exports and imports, or any international market system. So you can easily get data from internet. For example, CSO, NSSO, WHO, UNO, IMF, World Bank, etc. The research institutions after doing the comprehensive research. These are the uses of internet technology. Now we are going to causes of internet technology. Like computer technology and internet technology has a caution, has problems. Like computer internet is also only a tool. It cannot replace books and a teacher. A lot of substandards, material, irrelative information, misleading of information, and plagiarized articles are found on internet. We must avoid using those. Readers must have wisdom of identifying the authentic material on internet. Only authentic websites must be reflect, otherwise we may end up getting misled. So internet technology is very important, but it has many problems. Now we are moving the last topic of this chapter, that is data CDs, compact discs. Some authorities and agencies like laboratories, research centers, government agencies involved in collection and publication of information and data pertaining to macroeconomic in the put huge data content in compact discs and sell those for researchers and educational institutions. Such CDs are used by educational institutions, research institutions, etc. for their studies. So we can see easily that the CD are used for store of data, information, videos, images, etc. CD of Nation Income Authorities of Accounts of India, CD of Census of India, CD of Annual Survey of Industries in India, CD of NSS, or its National Sample Survey Organizations. So these are the examples of CDs frequently used in economics. Some agencies like CMIE, the full form of CMIE will be asked in exam. Center for Monitoring Indian Economy also created the data which can be purchased only by research institutes and corporations, as these are expensive. There is also some difficulty in using data CDs like storage, size of data, etc. Since the data CDs and software contain a huge size of data, this becomes complicated to use. There are several sheets in a CD, and one must have the knowledge regarding searching the relevant data sheet and get the relevant data. So it is also difficult in using data CDs. This is the end of our chapter number 1. Now I am going to give the most important questions of this chapter for your revision, for your learn. These are the questions for revision to you. You have to solve them. If you have any problem, you can write down the comment in the comment box for the questions, and inshallah I will solve your question, I will solve your problem.
So students, this is the end of our chapter number 1, graphs in economics. So we have discussed about the all the 5 main graphs in this chapter and about technology. So you have to practice at home of this